think it's not too loud. See those trumpets?
Whoa!
Oh, look at that siren!
That's cool. What's it doing?
It's spinning. Does that sound come out of there? Cause that's where the loud sound goes out?
Look, it's spinning the other way now.
Why do they know that is a test? Open the window.
Open the window.
I think those poor people don't.
Oh, look, it's turning again.
Why did that?
It's looking at us this time.
Why? Why is it?
What do you think it's gonna do?
Test. Test.
Hey, it has a radio tower right there.
Test. Test.
Why does it do it all the time? Is it going to say tornado warning yet?
I don't know. Do you think it's gonna turn again? Oh, it's looking at us again.
Why does it look at us sometimes? It's not saying tornado warning. That's strange.
Is there a tornado? Let's look outside.
Is it a tornado siren? It's not making sound like a tornado sound.
Yeah, I think it's done. What do you think?
I think it's not. I think they don't need tornado warning.
Do you finish your popsicle while you're waiting?
Yep.
Isn't that cool? Do you think it went off?
I don't think so. Oh, they can't say tornado warning. That's strange.
How's that popsicle?
I think the tornado siren is not saying tornado warning.
Oh, really?
I think it's a thunder tornado siren. You want to push this one off? Why is it not saying thunderstorm warning and tornado warning? Hey, we can put a sign on it to say thunderstorm warning. If we can talk to them, if it says thunderstorm warning. I think that guy is waiting out there. Can you give me my headphones? We have to go. The tornado siren is going to do something if we didn't fly the drone.
Okay, get buckle.
Hey, what is that? What is that strange wobbly sound? What is the wobbly one? I think somebody is making a fire. That's strange. We can't get out of the fire when it's too. Buckle. Yeah. Hey, I can see it. Hey, look. I can't see it. Oh. I'm going to test my sirens on the drone today because I'm Facebooking. So I can do it.
You can point the camera. Oh my goodness. See you next time, Siren.
Oh, why is it not saying tornado warning? Why it can't say thunderstorm warning?
Thunderstorm warning. There's no thunderstorm.
Why doesn't
If it said tornado warning, everybody would get really scared. Especially when it's nice and sunny.
Is it going to be dark pretty soon. Clark, did you write that sound? Clark, did you like that sound? Clark, do you like that sound?
He's probably interested in what that
Facebooking the time. I'm going to fly the drone sometime today. So I'm flying the drone today. We're going to do on Facebooking. So we are going to turn on the tornado sirens and watch what it goes both ways like this, or push the air up. If you want to fix tornado siren, push this button to click on it, or pick a mouse to drive it. If we can have Facebooking, we do have Facebooking. Sometimes we do have Facebooking. And sometimes we have Facebooking sometimes. Goodbye. The end. Facebooking is going to turn on the tornado siren, and we are going to fly the drone to Facebooking so we can fly the drone to tornado siren and land. Cause that's where people is in emergency.
So you like Facebooking because it's turning on a tornado siren?
Yeah, cause we have to put a sign.
So Facebook causes emergencies?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mom,
Yeah?
what's inside a weed eater? If you want to turn off Roku, please ask for help. If you want to if you want to spin your tornado siren, please just